What makes an electric car tick? Underneath the sleek exterior, there's a world of innovation at work. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology that's changing the way we think about transportation. It's all about the battery and electric motor. The battery stores energy, while the motor transforms that energy into smooth, silent motion. Unlike traditional engines, these components work together seamlessly, delivering power instantly and efficiently. Fewer moving parts mean less can go wrong. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust. Maintenance is simpler, and reliability is higher. You'll spend less time at the shop and more time on the road, enjoying the drive. Electric cars are efficient, turning stored energy into motion with minimal waste. In fact, EVs convert over 75% of the electrical energy from the grid to power at the wheels, far more than gasoline vehicles can manage. The headline? Zero tailpipe emissions. No smoke, no smog, just clean air, especially in cities. Imagine a morning commute without the haze of pollution, where every breath feels fresher and every view is clearer. While the grid isn't fully green yet, driving an EV is a big step toward cleaner streets. As more renewable energy sources like wind and solar power the grid, the environmental benefits of EVs will only grow. Performance is another win. Electric motors deliver instant torque. That means rapid acceleration the moment you press the pedal, making city driving and merging onto highways a breeze. Press the accelerator, and you're off. No waiting for gears or revs. The response is immediate, giving you a sense of control and excitement every time you drive. That's why family EVs can out-accelerate sports cars. It's not just about speed, it's about effortless power that makes every trip more enjoyable, whether you're running errands or heading out on a road trip. The drive is smooth, silent, and addictive. With no engine vibrations or gear shifts, every journey feels refined and futuristic. The quiet cabin transforms your commute. Less fatigue, more peace. You'll notice the difference after a long day, arriving home more relaxed and refreshed. Conversations are easier, music sounds better, and long drives feel less tiring. The absence of engine noise lets you focus on what matters: your passengers, your playlist, or simply the road ahead. The lack of engine noise is a game changer. It's a new kind of driving experience, one that's calm, focused, and surprisingly luxurious. Once you experience the serenity of an EV, it's hard to go back. The peacefulness becomes something you look forward to every time you get behind the wheel. Electric cars redefine what driving can feel like. They offer a glimpse into the future where technology and comfort go hand in hand. It's not just about speed, it's about a whole new atmosphere. Every drive becomes an experience, whether you're alone or with loved ones. The future of driving is quieter, cleaner, and more exciting than ever. With every mile, EVs are paving the way for a better tomorrow, one that's sustainable, enjoyable, and truly electrifying. Electric cars often cost more upfront, mainly due to expensive batteries, but the real story is in long-term savings. Electricity is cheaper than gas, especially if you charge at home during off-peak hours. Over time, you'll save thousands on fuel alone. Maintenance is minimal. No oil changes, fewer parts to replace, and brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking. Your main chores? Rotate the tires and top up washer fluid. Government incentives can also lower the price through tax credits or rebates. These perks vary by location, so check what's available in your area. Add up the savings, and the higher sticker price starts to make sense. Investing in an EV can pay off big over the life of the car. Gasoline cars still dominate for good reasons. Refueling is fast and easy, gas stations are everywhere. For long trips, nothing beats the convenience and range of a gas car. No need to plan around chargers or wait to fill up. The variety is unmatched. From tiny hatchbacks to rugged trucks, there's a gas car for every need and budget. The used market is huge, making gas cars accessible for everyone. For apartment dwellers or those without home charging, gas cars are simply more practical. Until charging is as quick and common as gas, combustion engines remain the go-to for many. The infrastructure and flexibility of gas cars keep them on top, for now. Driving an electric car versus a gas car is like stepping into two completely different worlds, each with its own unique character and personality. The moment you get behind the wheel, you can feel the contrast in every detail, from the way the car starts, to how it moves, to the sensations you experience as you drive. In a gas car, you turn the key or press the start button and hear the engine come alive. a familiar mechanical symphony of pistons, valves, and exhaust. The vibrations, the rumble, and the rising tachometer all signal that something powerful is about to happen. It's a ritual that's been part of driving for over a century, and for many, it's an essential part of the experience. In an EV, you press a button and instead of noise, there's a calm silence. The dashboard lights up and the car is instantly ready to go. No engine noise, no vibrations, just a quiet anticipation. It feels almost futuristic, as if you're piloting a high-tech gadget rather than a traditional car. Hit the accelerator in a gas car, and you feel the engine build power gradually, shifting through gears as the revs climb. There's a sense of anticipation as the car responds, the transmission working in harmony with the engine to deliver speed. Each gear change is a small event, a moment you can feel and hear. Electric cars, on the other hand, leap forward the instant you touch the pedal. There are no gears to shift, just a surge of smooth, silent acceleration that feels almost effortless. The power is immediate and linear, making city driving and merging onto highways feel surprisingly exhilarating. The difference in sound changes everything. Gas cars connect you to the machine with every growl and vibration, making you feel like you're part of a living, breathing mechanism. In contrast, EVs offer a sense of calm and focus, letting you enjoy the journey in near silence, with only the faint hum of the electric motor and the sound of the road beneath you. Some drivers miss the roar and excitement of a traditional engine, finding joy in the visceral feedback. Others fall in love with the peace and quiet of electric driving, appreciating the stress-free environment it creates, especially in busy city traffic or on long commutes. Handling is different too. EVs have heavy batteries mounted low in the chassis, which lowers the center of gravity and makes them feel incredibly stable and planted, especially when cornering. This weight distribution gives electric cars a unique, almost glued-to-the-road sensation that many drivers find confidence-inspiring. Gas cars, meanwhile, have their own balance and character, perfected over decades of engineering. The way they shift their weight, the feedback through the steering wheel, and the connection to the road all contribute to a driving experience that's rich in tradition and emotion. Both types of cars have their charms, but the EV's low center of gravity and instant torque give it a unique, modern feel that's hard to match. It's a new kind of confidence, one that comes from technology rather than tradition. Ultimately, the choice comes down to what excites you most, the visceral growl and mechanical engagement of a gas car, or the futuristic hush and effortless power of an EV. Each offers its own kind of thrill. Every drive is a chance to experience something different, whether it's the nostalgia of a classic engine or the innovation of electric propulsion. Both worlds have something special to offer, so, if you get the chance, try both. You might be surprised which world you prefer, or maybe you'll find a place for both in your heart. Electric vehicles are tech-forward, often feeling more like smartphones on wheels. Central touchscreens replace buttons, creating a sleek, modern interface. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get new features and improvements without a trip to the dealer. Use your phone to preheat the cabin, check charge status, or schedule charging for off-peak hours. EVs often lead in driver assistance tech, with advanced cruise control and lane-keeping features. The seamless integration with your digital life is a major draw. Gas cars are catching up, but EVs set the pace for smart features. For many, this tech is as exciting as the drive itself.